Faulkner. I am from Royal Class. Hello everyone, how are you? How is it going? I hope you're fine and great wherever you are. So today we want to learn about simple present tenses. So this tenses is very easy and very useful for our daily activity. So first of all, we want to learn about definitions and function. So what is simple present tenses? We first from simple. Simple is sederhana, and present in bahasa is sekarang, and the rumus is verb one. So what is the pattern of simple present tenses? The pattern of simple present tenses for positive is subject plus verb one, and you can add s or es plus object. And the negative is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one and plus object. And interrogative is do or does plus subject plus verb one plus object. And negative interrogative is do or does plus not plus subject plus verb one and plus object. And next, I want to explain you about the example of simple present. For the example, there is many pattern, positive, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative. So I want to explain you about from positive sentence. So I have an example like I eat rice every day. You eat rice every day. We eat rice every day. They eat rice every day. He eats rice every day. She eats rice every day. And for the negative sentence is I don't eat rice every day. We don't eat rice every day. You don't eat rice every day. They don't eat rice every day. He doesn't eat rice every day. She doesn't eat rice every day. And for the interrogative sentence, for the example is do I eat rice? Do you eat rice? Do we eat rice? Do they eat rice? Does he eat rice? Does she eat rice? And for negative interrogative sentence, for example, don't I eat rice? Don't you eat rice? Don't we eat rice? Don't they eat rice? Doesn't he eat rice? And doesn't she eat rice? So I want to tell you about use subject in simple present. For subject I, we, you just only read or spelling verb without s or es. But when the subject is she, he, or it, you must add verb one s or es. So the next is time signal. Time signal in simple present we usually use sometimes, every day, usually, always, often, and seldom. And then next to question word. In simple present, the definition of question word is in subject we use who plus verb one and s or es plus object, and verb is what plus do or does plus subject plus do, and the object is we use what or whom for non-person and plus do or does plus subject and plus object. So we gonna do example from translate English bahasa to English. For the example, dia perempuan berlari setiap hari. So what is the positive sentence? The positive sentence is she runs. You must do add s or es every morning. And negative in translate is she doesn't run every morning. And we cannot use s or es in negative. So we just not add s or es. And in interrogative we can tell about does she run every morning? And interrogative doesn't add s or es. And interrogative and negative, we use doesn't she run every morning. So, for the example that we can make question word, for the example, he works every day. So, I have one tip for you when you want to make a question. For the example, we must change from the sentence to interrogative. For example, because the subject is he, the interrogative is does he works every day? So, when we want to make a question, just cover with your hands. When we know, yeah, he. When we want to know about he or the subject want to the question want to find a subject. We use who because it is a subject. So, who works every day? Okay, you get it? And when we know about the verbs, you just cover your hand with the verbs, okay? So the sentence just does he every day. When we want to know about verb, we just make a question from what, because it is a verb. From what does he do? Okay, and when we know about the object in here is effort of time. So because it is effort of time, we use when to make a question word. When does he works? So for object, when the object is person, you can to make a question word from whom. Okay. For what is non-person and whom is person. Okay. I think that's all from me. We learned about simple present tenses. I hope you are